CSU Plus is an interlibrary loan service that connects the collections of all 24 CSU campuses. So, you'll be able to borrow books, media, and other physical items from any of the 24 CSU campuses. In this record, I find that we do not have a copy of it at San Jose State University, but the option to request from CSU Plus is available right here. If you're interested in how many libraries have this book, you can click Show Libraries. It looks like San Francisco State University has it and California State University Stanislaus. I click here and see the status of San Francisco's copy. It says it's loanable and available. To request one of these copies, you're going to click CSU Plus Resource Sharing Request. It's going to prompt you to type in the volume and to give a pickup location. Generally, you're never going to type anything into volume unless it's a multi-volume set and you want a specific volume. And usually this will be filled out for you. So all you're going to do in this instance is click Request. It says Place Request, and that is it. If you want to make sure that request was placed, you can go to My Account, look at your requests, and yes, I did indeed place this request.